Good morning all of you. Now today we are continue with the string function. In our last class I explained three of the string functions. Now we are going to start with the next string function. The next string function is ltrim. Now this function is used to remove the spaces given before the string or before the first letter of the string, or we can say from the left hand side of the string. By mistake, user has entered the spaces before typing anything. So to remove that unwanted space, we will use ltrim. Here L denotes leading, means starting, and trim means trimming, cutting, removing. See the definition? It is used to remove the blank spaces from the left hand side. That means starting of the string. Whatever the characters just before the first character, if user has entered the blank spaces, so it will remove with the help of ltrim. See the syntax? Select ltrim, then in the bracket you have to give the string name. Or if you want to apply it on the table, then select ltrim column name from table name here. See the example. Select ltrim single quotes open, because we are going to give the string space 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 space, then welcome to online classes, then 2 underscore. Here underscore means space, means after the classes I have given 2 spaces. So see the output. Output is welcome to online classes space space. Now just see, before W we have given 3 to 4 spaces, that is removed with the help of ltrim function. But that last space is just after the classes, the 2 spaces are still there, because ltrim will remove only the spaces given before the first letter, not at the end. Now see the next function, that is rtrim. Rtrim. R means trailing, tail, means it will remove the spaces given at the end of the string, or we can say from the right hand side of the string. If by mistake user has given the space, so to remove that space we will use rtrim. See the definition? It is used to remove the blank spaces from the right hand side of the string. Here R denotes trailing and T means trimming. Syntax is select rtrim, in the bracket you have to give the string. Same thing if you want to apply on the table, select rtrim column name from table name where condition. See the example, select rtrim space space space, underscore denotes space, welcome to online classes, then again 2 spaces. See the output. In output it has the output no spaces after the classes, but see at the beginning we have 3 spaces. Why 3? Because rtrim will remove the spaces given at the end of the string. It will remove spaces only given at the end of the string. That's why that blank spaces given before was as it is. See the next function, trim. Trim means it will remove both spaces, the spaces given before the string or the spaces given at the end of the string. Or we can say it is a combination of ltrim and rtrim. See the definition? It is used to remove the blank spaces from the right as well as from the left hand side of the string. Both the spaces given before the string and the string will remove with the help of trim function. Syntax is select trim bracket string. One more syntax is there, select trim then column name from table name where condition. See the example. Select trim space 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 welcome to online classes, then again two spaces. See the output, welcome to online classes. Now see, just before W no space. Why? Because trim will remove both the spaces given before the string or given after the string. See, after the string also no space. So trim function will remove the spaces given before the string as well as spaces given after the string. Now next function is length. Now this function is used to count number of characters in a string. If you want to count how many characters are there in a string, so we can count with the help of length function. This function will also count spaces. If you have given space also, then also length function will count. See the definition? It is used to count number of characters in a string including space. Now this is the function which return the output in numbers. See, in CBSE also they will ask the question which string function will give the output in numbers. So one is length. See, all other functions are giving the output in string only, but this function will give the output in numbers. See the syntax? Select length, then give the string name in the bracket. If you want to apply on the table, then select length in the bracket, write column name from table name where condition. See the example. Select length welcome to online classes. Now it will count the characters like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, then space also 8. So like this it will count. So total number of characters is 25. So it will give output 25. See, the output is in numbers. So this is the function which give, this string function will give output in numbers. Thank you.